I'm Professor Manisha Gurjar over here from FinPlan Institute. I'm here since last 6 years and I'm leading for the banking sector and all the modules related to banking and finance. History it goes like I have worked into the corporate sector for last 15 years. I used to be with the Raymond Commodities with Ireland FS and my last assignment was with Motilal Oswal as a branch manager. But I used to have a passion for the teaching and training, and when I saw the tremendous scope for banking, I have joined myself with the FinPlan as a head faculty for the banking module. Since in India, banking has transformed a lot. No more we are going to see the typical traditional banking with all the physical things. Now it has been transformed into the technology ed using all the video conferencing, then check truncation, then RTGS, NEFT, net banking, money transfer, mobile banking. So this is something, very new things are coming up in the banking. The total entire technical banking with the traditional things have been overcome and they have got changed into this new modern banking. When it comes to the modern banking and when we say that Indian economy is growing and it's like to be the best economy of the world, then banking being a pillar of that, we concentrate more, we emphasize more here at using the modern techniques and using the modern modules. Here our curriculum at FinPlan for the banking, it consists of not only these principles of banking where all the theoretical part is used, but basically it emphasizes more on the practical banking. So rather than what is CASA account, we actually make them understand how to sell CASA account. Like what is current account, what is saving account, that's okay, that's a part of curriculum, it's a theoretical thing. But non-technical thing, basically the banks are required is like how you are going to sell these products, and we emphasize more on this selling part. Now today, traditionally we have to teach them monetary policy, but here we make them understand to go to sit for the live module or live monetary policy when it has been delivered by the RBI governor. We make them understand each and every sentence what Mr. Raghuram Rajan being a RBI governor, what message he wants to give, and then we have even the feedback session and a question answer round after that. So these sort of training facilities we are giving. When we say there will be IVs, the part of curriculum, so we make them see, like we take them to the financial institutes like RBI and for the NSE. So when we visit the RBI, we make them understand the total entire transition from coins to the paper currency and today's modern currency. So this sort of this is the part of our curriculum. Along with the principles of banking, where we are going to teach them the traditional banking, the theoretical part of the banking, all the latest products like insurance, mutual fund, bank assurance, because these are the areas where is a tremendous scope. So banking is no more only restricted to the banking, but now it has got linked with the entire finance sector. So even they should be aware with the crude prices internationally, gold prices internationally, how it affects the markets, how this market affects the banking products, how monetary policy is also dependent on that, how India can grow, what are the things which can rise the inflation, which are the things which can boost for the economy, how FDI works, how this approval, or when we say that our Prime Minister visits the n number of countries and asks them to invest in India, so properly what message he wants to give. So these information is a part of our curriculum. So along with the principles, we teach them practically all these things along with the sales management and even with the business communication, because nowadays banks require the person not only a topper into the accounts, but equally he should be good at communication and even giving presentations. For that reason, we have the programs for the presentation skills, developing that skills into them. Even we have the books also where we are giving notes them, additional notes to them so they can prepare, and we are having lots and lots of mocks. So when it goes sales management, it doesn't only traditionally teach them what is sales and all. We take the individual mock on one-on-one basis where we make them understand on starting from how to fix up an appointment, till how to convince a client to open an account with us. So this everything is done by, it's a proper session plan is there, and then we work accordingly. When I was talking about the communication, so today's banker, they require the candidate not only with the academic skills or the technical skills, but they also want the candidate who is well versed with the communication skills, presentation skills. So we make them understand that if they are going to work as a sales BDE, that is business development executive in any bank, then that part of their profile is not only closing the clients or bringing the clients from the retail sector, but it can be from the corporate sector, it can be from the business sector, it can be from the NRI sector, or it can be salaried accounts. So they need to even give the presentations also. So giving presentations of the banking products is also part of curriculum.